with Kampala University, with Bugema trying Kampala University on the ball. Kampala University is wearing the lime green and black shorts, while Bugema University is wearing the yellow shirts and the blue trousers.
What will come out of this corner kick? It's going to be their captain, shirt 16, Kagoda Charles, to deliver this corner kick.
In some teams, corner kicks can be treated like penalties. Can Bugema University, the hosts, do it? And of course, they take the lead.
The opening goal of the match. Bugema University are in front. Bugema, long kick, teasing, and it's a deep goal. There it is. Slyman Sentongo.
Good. That's why we have not, applied what we are supposed to do. But that is football, because football is about mistakes. Another thing is set pieces. We need to improve on set pieces because they are good on throwing balls, and then the set pieces. We need to improve on our defenders to know how to deal with.
Wasn't bad, wasn't good. Since they still have fatigue, and we have also some injuries around the team. I think that was also a major problem, or challenge. That's why you see we did have a better coordination in our team.